All right, folks, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking for a good stealth spot to hang out. Hopefully by the river. See if we can find a good place by the river. But first we're going to grab something to cook. All right, folks. Man, it's miserable out. Man, it's really nasty. Pot stickers. Some chicken stir fry. Then we got some Swiss rolls. And some sweet chili sauce. All right, now we gotta find a spot. Weather is crazy out there. People are crazy. Head over the bridge. That is where we're headed.
Destination will be on the left.
Not on the left, on the right. There's police all over because the Burlington police station's around here. Following this police officer right here. All right, we are here. We are here. Ooh, like that. I want to park it where I can't be seen from the road. I turn off my headlights. Hopefully that cop didn't see me backing in here, pulling in here. Okay, pull up to the side. Pretty good. Oh man. Okay, we could chill for a little bit. We won't have any hikers because it's really nasty out. But as long as the police officer didn't see me, there should be no reason for him to come back here. I don't think he's going to want to drive through what I just drove through. All right, let's check everything out. Hop in the back. See if it's accessible from anywhere else. Please don't find any bodies. Some kind of structure back there. Never saw this before. Does look like a path. There's another structure over there. There's a path that goes up here. Maybe this place is more accessible than I thought. Yeah, I never noticed that before. Is that a lawnmower? Yeah, that's weird. All right, let's get back to the truck. hang my keys up in my safe place. I got a new safe place. Keys up. There's where I hang my keys now. All right. All right, we'll get inside and lock everything up. I'm not going to set up the window covers or anything. It is supposed to get into the low 50s tonight. But I have a little propane tank. If it gets too cold, I can... If it gets too cold, I could just fire one of them propane tanks up. I'm still nervous. Oh boy. Okay. Let's lock her down. Let's lock her down and chill out for a little bit. Yeah, I don't think anybody's gonna come back here. I'm gonna grab my bear mace just in case. Keep my bear mace right there, right here. I bought a screen for the windows. The ones you roll the window down and put over the door and close the door. I'm not gonna need them tonight. Plus I'd be nervous having them on with the rain and in this spot. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to turn on the electric. Let me get turn on the electric. It's electric. Boogie oogie oogie. Oh boy. Oh, gotta open the lid, dummy. Alright, I'm just gonna hang out for a little bit. I'm too nervous to do anything right now. I just want to feel the place out. I got my bear spray. I'll just chill out a little bit. It's 54 outside, 64 in here. I don't know why this GoPro might keep shutting off. I just, for the sake of me, have no clue. It automatically shuts down after 15 minutes of non-use. On contacting them, so there's no way to turn it off. He said, however, if you have it hooked up to an external battery, it won't shut off. Bullshit. It just shut off on me again. So in any case, we're just going to chill out, feel the place out. I'm not going to put any of the covers on or anything. We're all locked up. Hopefully it keeps raining pretty good, that way we're not going to have people running around out here. So I'm going to chill for a little bit and maybe start dinner. But just let me feel the place out a little bit. Oh man. Oh, this feels so good. Let me know in the comments if you guys remember this place and what video it is. Alright, we're gonna start dinner. Get our stuff out. Okay, I'm gonna be doing a voiceover here because the GoPro shut off again. So we'll be having pot stickers tonight. Of course, I ain't gonna eat the whole bag. And then we'll also be doing a chicken stir fry. It's another family pack. I couldn't find a smaller size, so I had to get the family pack. Let's get out our induction cooktop, move the candle out of the way, move our air fryer out of the way. Let's get our induction cooktop out. Get our frying pan. We're going to need a frying pan. Get our spatula out. Okay, let's get this frying pan on the induction cooktop. Okay, so let's get out some oil from our handy dandy spice rack. This is olive oil. Alright. And then we're going to add a little water. I'm just eyeballing everything. Alright. Alright, we're going to turn it on. Medium high. Start. Alright, now let me see what we got to do with the stir fry. Stovetop. Open one pouch, sauce pouch, and empty in a large non-stick skillet. Add half of the frozen meal, about 8 cups. Add 3 tablespoons of water. Cover and cook over medium-high heat, 11 to 13 minutes, stirring occasionally. You know what? I'll do half the bag and I'll save some. Get a little bit of water in there. This is gonna work. It's gonna fall right inside. How about if I do this? Mix it a little bit. Bring guys back. All right, let's check our stir fry. Let's add our sauce. Turn it down a little bit. Oh, that smells good. Okay, let me transfer the pot stickers to this plate because I'm going to need this plate. And let's check that stir fry. Give that another minute. Okay, let's check that. Alright, that's good. We're good. Get this out of the way. Okay. All right. Turn that off. I could usually I would eat it right out of the pot, but I'm gonna plate it up. Get out of the way. Put that there. Warm them guys through. I think they should be fine, but we'll give them a few minutes. Okay, they are warmed through. I'm gonna turn that off. Cancel that. Alright, we'll put that to the side. Put a lid to the side. And pop this here. Get this out of the way. Alright, that is our meal. And a Frosty Mug root beer. Okay, now to top it off, we have a sweet chili sauce. This stuff is so good. Alright, so we're gonna add a little bit of sweet chili sauce just on the pot stickers. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, get our lid back on. Get you over here. Wipe our tongs. And there you have it, folks. Pot stickers and chicken stir fry. B-roll. Whatever, right? Okay. Yeah, these are pork pot stickers. Look at that steam. It was worth it. It was worth going to Walmart, parking at the garden center. I'm not familiar with this Walmart, walking in and realizing that the food was completely on the other side of the building. My knee is killing me, so I hike over there. And it is crowded. Crowded. Cheers. And I'm like, you know what? I'm not in a rush. I'm going to take my time. Look around, see what I can come up with. And pick a nice dinner for the night. Man, that's hot. 52 outside. It's 74 in here. I really like this sweet chili sauce. I see someone use it. Someone was cooking with it, and they said, oh, you gotta have your sweet chili sauce. You gotta have sweet chili sauce. And I tried it, and man, it is really good. I was going to grab just a big bag of stir fry vegetables, but I looked at the vegetables and they were huge. I was worried that it would take forever to cook. And I seen the family pack of the chicken stir fry, the ready made whatever meal, and it looked like it would cook down. It looked like it would cook a lot quicker. Oh man, this is good stuff, guys. Squib Trivias. If anybody remembers the spot, post a video in the comments. Also, for you guys to follow me, post in the comments the video where I made pot stickers before. Squib Trivia. I'm gonna turn you guys off, finish eating, and then I'll be back. I'll clean up and then I'll be back. Maybe we'll watch a movie tonight. Guys, I just can't do it. It's too much. It's just too much. I love keeping these little Tupperwares in there because I always have leftovers. But I got work tomorrow, so this will be lunch. Just too much. It's good. I mean, I'm sure I can finish it, but I'm comfortable. I don't want to feel all bloated. The only problem with these kind of meals is it's really messy to clean up. I think I'll have to, I wipe everything down with paper towels. I mean, I have a little sink back here. Get this out of the way. All right. I'll see what I can do. I'll probably get a spray bottle with vinegar and water, and you can just spray your stuff down. All right, that's actually not that bad. Put that over there. You can never tell if that's on. Okay, that's done. Wash you. I have a bigger sink, but it takes up too much space. That's why I like Teflon. Couldn't do this with cast iron in here. Oh boy. Well folks, that was a very enjoyable meal. I do love the pot stickers. Okay. And then you can get put away. There. Okay, man, my shoulder's killing me, guys. We'll just put that there. Oh. Time to hunker down and watch a movie. We got a show called The Dark, Great Deceiver, and Multiverse. So Multiverse, we got in this gripping sci-fi thriller, parallel universes will collide when 4 young scientists accidentally set off a violent chain reaction, discovering too late that altering the space-time continuum comes with dire consequences. 91 minutes. think I can turn it down a little bit. Oh man, it's raining good out there now. Alright, good morning folks. It's 5:30. I'm gonna make a cup of coffee and get out of here. Alright. They seem to be working out. The moisture's getting in, which is good. I'm gonna make this a little stronger and add some instant coffee. Sometimes I just like to kick it up a little bit with some instant coffee. Man. All right, we'll put our coffee up here. All right, let's head up front. Still raining out. It'll be fun getting through that. Okay. Get my coffee. Turn it right off in here. We're down to 51%. Oh, pretty good night's sleep, folks. Cheers. Well, folks, I slept really good last night. Not as good as I usually sleep. I don't know why. It's weird because usually with the rain and, you know, I'm in a pretty good spot, so I felt comfortable sleeping here. But it's up every hour. I fell right back asleep though, but I was up every hour. So last night I just watched that movie, then I just turned the movie off and went right to bed. Yeah, it poured and poured. I think I got up and recorded it. It's like 1:30 or something. Taking my new nifty cup holder. You like that? I wouldn't drive with it coffee in there, but it's good when I'm done my cup of coffee and just lay it in there. Alright, let's get the hell out of here. Oh God, here we go. Branches sticking out. All right, we're coming out to the river. Wow, it rains. Rained a good bit. Run down, take a peek at the river. Yeah, that looks rough. It's like a good fishing spot. PA over there, Burlington Bristol Bridge. I gotta replace my my fog lights underneath. I gotta replace one of the lights underneath. I got the tail lights fixed finally. I don't know what was going on. There's all kinds of wiring issues and stuff. Alright, let's get the hell out of here. Bridge. Well, folks, thanks for joining me on this one. I didn't get to do any exploring or anything. It was just like park the truck, get in the truck, cook, eat, watch a movie, go to bed. Because it was too nasty out. I wanted to do this trip during this storm because there's less chance of someone, like walking their dog, coming up on your spot. Alright folks, folks, I'm going to call it. Until next time, I'm out.